If you are someone that have a little bit of sight problem while reading text on certain apps, well, this tutorial is particularly for you. So in this video, I'm going to show you 2 ways on how you can make text larger for any apps on iPhone. Just make sure to watch the full video. Let me show you. Stay tuned. I'll be right back. The first way you can customize the size of text for an individual app is to go to settings here, go down to accessibility, then open this display text and size, then open larger text. Here is where you can set larger text and change the default text size for text on your iPhone. But we want to change the text size for just an individual app. So all we need to do is to go back, then go back again on accessibility, under vision, then we scroll all the way down to per app settings. This is the add app. The reason why here is empty is because I didn't customize any app. So let me just customize an app and change its default settings. Let me just add app, note for instance, then also click on note. Now I want to change the default text size just for note. Tap on larger text, then also increase it. Now I have increased the default text size for note. So if I go back again, I can simply reset the font size. The second way to do it is to open the app that you want to change the default text size for. For example, let me open Note again. If I want to change the default text size for Note, all I need to do is to swipe down to Control Center, then tap on text size. Okay, this AA. Then if I increase it like this is Note only. All right, you don't need to select all apps. You only need to select the only app that you want to change the default text size for, which is Note. Let me just leave it to 160 and show you. Then tap on the screen to dismiss it. So the default text size for Note is now increased. If I go back again, all right, then tap on the text size, I can simply decrease it like this. You can use this method for any other app. Okay, let me just use an example, Facebook. All right, so let's say I want to increase the default text size again for Facebook. All I need to do is to swipe down to Control Center just like this, then tap on the text size. The default text size for all the other settings are not changed, only for Facebook. In case you do not see this text size on your Control Center, let me show you on how to bring it there. Okay, if you want to bring the text size to Control Center, all you need to do is to go to settings, then you go to Control Center, then you scroll down till you find text size here, then you click this plus icon, okay, to bring it to the Control Center. And mind you guys, you can also move it around to anywhere you want. You can simply tap on the 3 lines like this, guys, okay, then move the text size to anywhere you want. This is simply how you can add the text size to a Control Center. Now if I go to my Control Center, here it is. So now to dismiss it, just tap on the screen to dismiss Control Center. All right, so you can try it. If you have any question or difficulty about it, just feel free to let me know. That is all about the video, guys. If you found it useful, please follow me on TikTok, Facebook, IG, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button to my YouTube channel and hit that bell icon for more tips and tricks every day. See you on my next video. Peace.